Renovating a condo can feel quite daunting, but the payoff is totally worth it. Today I'm going to show you 2 bathrooms that I renovated in the same condo. Fortunately, my clients brought me on board before they moved in, so we were able to renovate both bathrooms at the same time. The first is right off of the front entrance, and it acts as the main bathroom for the home. When I first saw this bathroom, it was dark and it was just a bit utilitarian. The fixtures were outdated and it just needed some new life brought into it. This line is from the American Standard Studio S collection. My clients loved the idea of using matte black fixtures, particularly because it does feel modern and it does add that contrast that we were looking for in this space. The Studio S collection is available in 3 different finishes: matte black, brushed nickel, and polished chrome. Originally, this bathroom had a tub shower combination, and because they also had a second bathtub in this unit, we decided to eliminate this bathtub and open up this bathroom for just a standing shower. This really allowed this room to feel much bigger and more open, and it meets their needs for this side of the condo. One thing that I often see is a lot of niches that are very functional but quite restricted in size. And in this case, we thought, why don't we use that as the feature? So we did an elongated niche that runs the full length of this shower. And it really acts as a bit of an art installation, a great place to display, and of course, lots of room for products. One of the ways to add interest to a more modern bathroom is to look for things that have texture. This wall tile is a complement to the floor tile, but it offers a little bit of texture in a linear format where it's almost like grooves cut out. It really adds a lot of interest and helps to emphasize height in the room. It was a lovely way of adding something different to the shower, but keeping the whole room feeling very cohesive. Next is the ensuite off of the main bedroom. When I first saw the bathroom, it was quite dark in spite of that large window, and it felt quite restricted as well with the glass enclosure around the tub. So we really wanted to find a way to soften it and brighten it. It has a much more traditional feel to it, but we wanted to add a little bit more detail and refinement that had more of a classic sensibility. I chose the Delancey line by American Standard in a polished nickel finish. The reason I liked this collection is it's more traditional and it's defined by classic details and elegant lines, and it really added a lot of character to this space. Delancey is available in 4 different finishes: brushed nickel, legacy bronze, polished chrome, and polished nickel. Much like the Studio S collection, the Delancey line has a number of different fixtures, including faucets, shower tub fixtures, and also bathroom accessories, such as the robe hooks, the towel bar, and the towel ring. This toilet is from the American Standard Vormax collection, and I like that they have a number of options that coordinate with their fixture styles. The tub alcove was an unusual size. It was a little bit wider than typical, and so we were able to use this lovely American Standard tub in an undermount style, which adds a really elegant finish around the perimeter and the front skirt. We've surrounded it in a quartz finish, and so it all feels very integrated and like a complete unit now under this window, as opposed to just a typical bathtub. Instead of replacing the glass enclosure, we installed 2 shower curtains, and that really helps to soften this tub area. The tile was an exciting choice because it added that bit of color and whimsy to this bathroom that we were looking for. We really wanted something that felt a bit unusual, a little bit old world, and so this Condo blue tile that has a variety of shades in it gave us that. To help draw the eye up in this space, we used 2 arch mirrors that are actually medicine cabinets, so they do offer a little bit more storage, and they also have a lovely brass finish around the perimeter, which was a nice detail to mix metals in the space. Renovating a condo can come with extra hurdles: scheduling the elevator, working around rules and regulations, and getting all of the materials to site in time. But it was certainly worth the effort here. The clients loved their 2 new bathrooms, and I'm so happy with how they've both turned out.